Performing a test with the FiberCheck Sidewinder is very easy and intuitive. Now that I've set up all of the inspection criteria for how I want to evaluate this, I can proceed forward with running a test. The button on the back will initiate an autofocus, but if I press and hold it for more than 2 seconds, it'll initiate an autofocus and then proceed forward to running the automated analysis test. It's evaluating the fibers right now based off of what I defined when I set up my multi-fiber test, and it'll give me a pass-fail result. When I get the result, it'll give me an audible tone that's either positive or negative. In that case, it was negative, and it tells me that this one failed. And it'll immediately take me to the first fiber that failed, and I can evaluate that. Look at the details on that screen by toggling it on or off, and then I can proceed forward with saving that result to have it on file. And that's how you run an automated analysis test with FiberCheck Sidewinder.